This week we're looking at leveling up, and I know that in Rich's class the students are leveling up in one class in the one lesson plan. My lesson plan is part of a larger leveling up system, and in order for you to understand that, I want to show you this picture first. This is the graphic of the TESOL technology standards, and you notice that they are there are three basic sets of them. The skills have to do with basic technology skills, basic computer use skills. I know Max is doing in his lesson plan one of these standards. The culture standards have to do with how culture affects online communication. They're very interesting ones. The tools standards are related to how you use tools to achieve specific goals. You know, not the how to use, but the choice of using particular tools for particular goals and how to use them. And so tools is the one I'm working with. It says here, language learners effectively use and evaluate technology-based tools. Okay, so that's where collaboration comes in. And we're going to go ahead and look down here. Not standard 1, not standard 2, but please remember this system, the way this works. My lesson goes in standard 3, which is the use of available technology-based tools for communication and collaboration. Remember, my subject was collaboration. Okay, so I just want you to keep in mind this entire system here. Then my leveling up will make more sense to you. Okay, here we are at a slightly simpler version of this. This is just the part my particular lesson plan relates to. So this is under tools, if you remember. And once again, how language learners effectively use tools for collaboration. And let's look specifically, again, at what we're doing here. And you notice that there are 3 parts to this standard. If you remember the game that I did last week, the students designed cars, and they did this as a group project, and each person played a particular role in the designing of the car, and it helped them to see what they might need to contribute in group work to make it work and effective. So it would be the first one, can encourage others to participate. And so I made a badge for that. Here we go. This is my badge for that. And I called it Group Dynamics. Again, we're not calling these badges because we're in a university class. So there's the badge they would get. And all you have to do for that is to play the game. And then we have can pick the best tools to facilitate collaboration. So I have here a nice tools badge for that. The next one is evaluate use of digital tools to communicate ideas. So this one is about communication. Remember, I did mention in my lesson plan that they would go in to talk about the language of negotiation, the language of making schedules, resolving conflict. That's very important in collaboration. The last one, can share content to a larger audience, and my badge for that is their project, because the last of this set of exercises would be a group project, which actually would continue over several class periods. And I didn't really want to call these badges. I think I might call them steps. I haven't really decided yet. I think the steps might be all right. And when they have completed all these, then they will have effectively completed this standard 3. And so I have an award for them for that. And you notice it's the same color, but it's a different shape. So it's what they've been working on, but it's the final one, and I'm going to call that award. That will be their collaboration award when they have completed everything to show that they have the skills in standard 3. Now remember, there were 4 standards actually under this and under tools, and when they have completed all of the standards in tools, then they are going to get this achievement here, which is the tools. And you notice it has the green and the purple like collaboration, but it has the blue and the yellow. My plan is for the other standards to have various mixes of this color. So one of the standards might be blue and green, one might be yellow and purple, um, so that it all relates, and it's clear that that's all related to this particular achievement. Um, Now, when they, remember there were three, there were tools, culture, and skills. So when they complete all three, then they get the big award. This is the technology award. It's all purple. We're proud to be purple here at K-State. And so and this award, actually, it would be very difficult to get to demonstrate you have accomplished all of the technology standards. This is something that would definitely go in their Google backpack. They could use this on their resume. They can use this on applications to graduate school because it would be validated by us saying that they had completed all the technology standards.